Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where I love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Burlington and I thought I'd see what they had new in the girls section. They are ready for spring and summer with these short sleeve tees. And as usual, they have lots of unicorn. These denim jackets are super cute. They have Puma, muscle shirts, and Puma hoodies. Another denim jacket in black. Some flip sequined, some off the shoulder, floral, super pretty. The pocket is flip sequins on that shirt. It's so cute. And then these shirts come with a little keychain. So you got the flip sequin on the pocket, and then you got a flip sequin heart keychain. That's so cute. And all of these shirts are between $6.99 all the way up to $9.99. There's a Nike shirt, Converse, weekend mode, flip sequins. So it says weekend mode and it'd be offer on. Super cute. And then I wanted to go over here to the girls' shoes and show you what they had. So they have these super cute slides that have like rainbow and clouds on them, and they're $5.99. Some cute little Adidas little Michael Kors, so cute, little yellow Michael Kors tennis shoes. And here's some Michael Kors sandals. It's like they have cuter Michael Kors shoes in the girls section than they do in the women's section. These Juicy Couture Mary Janes are super cute. And then I thought I would see what accessories they had. They have some super cute hair accessories at Burlington and some scrunchies. It looks like they have some mini backpacks and some regular backpacks that are super cute. So I hope you liked getting some ideas of what they have at Burlington in the girls section. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.